Camera 1 rolling. Camera 2 rolling. Alright. Alright, rainy day here. And heading home in the rain. But it's a nice day. It's a nice night. Just want to watch out for these big puddles. I mean, I can take, you know, you don't want to overdo the water, but the water is not too bad. Water ingress is part of the picnic. Hey, buddy, how you doing, man? This homeless guy, been living here for years. Nice guy. Never seen him drunk. Never seen him bother nobody. Always says hi. You know, life is not me. Sound like one of those little kitty alarms. It sounded like I heard like an alarm, like, and this thing has that feature on the phone. Maybe the phone got wet. I mean, it's not raining right now. It was raining before. I got pretty good on the way here, but it seems like, okay, I'm not going to go so fast till I know there's something going on. But I heard like one of those bicycle hand alarms, you know, the ring, the little bell change, but it was non-stop. I don't know where it came from, right? So, you know, just be cautious. It's not going to push it. It's saying like 15 miles an hour for a minute. Alright, maybe 20. Alright, maybe 30. I can't help it. But I feel like everything's good. I mean, I check my machine regularly. No water ever gets in. It's pretty solid. I'm not going through any deep puddles, you know. You can take water. I mean, it's made for outdoors. It's going to take water. I see a lot of these pussies that are like, oh, you can't drive in the rain. What's wrong with you? You know, oh, put a helmet on, get bubble wrap around your body. Oh, how can you go out of the house? It's so scary, the world. That's what it feels like, you know? I don't want to wear a helmet, you know? It's on me. People seem like they get mad at you if you tell them that thing. Oh, you should wear a helmet. Oh, what are you doing driving with a helmet? Yes, you should wear a helmet, but you don't have to wear a helmet. It's up to each individual. That's why America's so great, you know? We got a lot of these social justice warriors running around trying to tell everybody to do parents, the male parents, hens maybe. But, you know, we all need to take care of ourselves. And, yeah, you could suggest to somebody, but they get mad when you don't agree with them. Say, yeah, you're right, I should do that right away. Oh, yeah, no. Sorry, I'm so sorry that I did something that didn't involve you. But anyway, I make these videos people to enjoy. You know, I enjoyed riding this vehicle, and I want to spread the love of the EUC. The world of EUC is awesome. These machines are great. You can wear a helmet, you can wear all the gear you want. That's fine. I want you to. Be safe. Feel safe. But to each his own. You know, everybody does what they want. So, thank you for riding with me in the rain. On the way there was raining, for sure. Ground's wet everywhere. But look, the doggies are ready for me. So, let me go. And God bless you. Take care. Bye.